You may have noticed that your Google Docs, your Drive, your Gmail have all gotten a new fresh spring look. Obviously, Google is constantly evolving and changing, hoping to enhance your productivity. So let's take a look at some of the things that you may have noticed and may want to start exploring. Starting in Google Docs, you may have noticed an updated and refreshed look with more workspace, a new sleek toolbar, a different share button. But honestly, a lot of your favorite features are still here. They've just been regrouped to enhance your productivity. For example, did you know that looking up here across the top, you'll see this lovely clock button? This is where you can actually very quickly see your version history with one click. There's also all sorts of great features to explore. For example, when you insert a table now, notice you have table templates and you've got all sorts of different options within your tables, including a productivity tracker with the newly enhanced drop-down menus that you can, of course, customize. What about Drive? Well, Drive also has an enhanced, updated look. You'll notice that your drive has shifted over to the right just a little bit, where you'll be able to then find all of the docs, do your file uploads, things like that. So it shifted from this left-hand bar on over. And there's even more features coming with this as well. If you notice, there's going to be some enhanced drop downs, these chips that will help you find things even quicker within your search bar. If you're not seeing this new sleek look and some of these updated features, have no fear, they are on their way. As always, please don't hesitate to reach out to your digital learning consultants if you have a question on the new look of your Google Suite.